skinny.
On our project Untamed Stang, we bought the Fezler flush mount front and back glass. We're just taking our car to the next level. Chad has been working on cutting everything and making it fit in the hole truly properly. You can buy this glass and it goes in there glued in. It looks great. We're just wanting to really tune up all the edges and the fitment and how it fits. Since the car's not painted, we have the capability of doing that now. So what he's done is, like I said, we've cut all the perimeter, tucked everything in, tightened everything in to where we have a nice 1/8 inch gap. And then we've also worked on leveling the window up and down. So we built this lower flange, Chad's welding in now, to where it sets fairly flush all the way around the car. So now when it gets glued in, it's got a really nice, clean, tight edge. Just one notch up compared to buying it and just putting it in. But we got to thank the people at Fezler's for this great product, because it is a cool piece. The front and back glass that fits flush and gets rid of the trim, so we're excited about that.
So now we have our perfect gap all the way around, and then we also have the level to where the glass is going to be after paint and bodywork. When it goes back in, it'll still be all perfect. So now it's all cleaned up, all welded in. About to grab it, put it in, and make sure it still fits. So we just finished up putting the rear glass back in. It fits great, fits perfect. We got our gap all the way around. We got our level where it needs to be. So now we can send it off to paint and be happy with how it's fitting. And now onto the front windshield.